Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel newellme subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website newellme.com, and once you are on the official website there is a option like your account type option. You need to tap on this profile icon, and once you tap on this option it will redirect you on this kind of a screen. On this screen you need to enter your email ID. You need to click on this arrow button, and once you click on this arrow button they will provide you a code. You need to enter your code, and once you enter your code they will you can log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription by finding subscription option or account. You can select order related options. Okay, so this is the first method for to cancel your subscription. If you don't have any these kind of options working, so what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider and you can cancel your credit card. You can get your new credit card, and this is the last option to cancel your subscription. Okay, and once you get new credit card, your old credit card CVV and number will expire and they will automatically cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.